This is BTV.
Companies try to aim for stock symbols that reflect their companies. In St. Andrew Goldfields' case, their SAS symbol also stands for their motto, simply achieving success. That got us curious, so we headed up to Northern Ontario to investigate in the middle of the winter. St. Andrew Goldfields is no Johnny-come-lately. This venerable Canadian gold mining and exploration company is celebrating 30 years in the business. Today, there's a new management team and a new motto, SAS, simply achieving success.
We've been developing the company with a step approach, starting one mine, stabilizing, starting a second mine, stabilizing. Now that we have reached the 100,000 ounces, we're stabilizing our existing producing mines, and we're preparing the next one for production.
What I like about St. Andrew Goldfields is, first of all, low level of political risk operating in Ontario. They acquired a high level of infrastructure. This was a past producing mine that had been shut down, so it didn't require a massive capital investment to get this restarted.
The company has an extensive land package along the Porcupine-Destor Fault Zone in the Timmins Mining District. That's on the Abitibi Greenstone Belt, one of the world's best locations for gold mining. SAS reopened and now operates the Holt, Holloway, and Hislop mines. They're on target for gold production this year of approximately 100,000 ounces. That kind of success doesn't always come easy.
The timeline for St. Andrews to be successful certainly was fairly aggressive. Really the biggest challenge for us, obviously after we got the initial capital set, was to get the people. And we've been quite successful actually in getting a great mix of people. I think that we really seem to be able to attract people that have a good attitude and they genuinely want to work here. So I think that that's been our success up to now.
Analysts appreciate both the project and its people.
I quite like the operating team led by Jacques Perron. I think they're very strong. He has a very good track record of operations.
Last year, St. Andrew set record production levels as it continued to grow its resource. Plus, it advanced its Taylor project through pre-feasibility stage with bulk sampling and engineering studies. All this while maintaining capacity at the 3,000 ton per day processing plant and reducing overall production costs.
When you look at reducing cash costs, increasing production, opening new mines, it's quite a feat for a small junior company.
Essentially, St. Andrew entered the year with a $1,000 cash cost and left it somewhere below $900. So they've really improved their operations. And in fact, in Q4, we saw record production as well.
Plan the mine and mine the plan. So if you have a good idea of what you want to do and you execute the plan well, you should reap the rewards. So instead of just being reaction planning, we're actually doing proper planning.
St. Andrew's updated and automated mill gives the company an edge over their peers in the Timmins camp.
A very strong position to go after other deposits within the camp, many of which are known but have languished. There's quite a rich territory around their mill complex for them to hunt in and to find additional projects to bring to the mill.
SAS is doing just that, continuing to expand their current resource and advancing exploration on this 120-kilometer-long package.
St. Andrew Goldfields has over 1,600 mineral claims, and yes, we're one of the largest mineral claims holders in that area.
Using an extensive geological database, SAS targets exploration at numerous sites, focusing on those closest to existing mines.
In 2013, we're budgeted to drill 62,000 meters. We're looking for mineral resources, which can very quickly be upgraded by the mine geos and the mine planners to mineral reserves and put into the mining plan. Second priority would be looking for additional exploration targets on some of our outlying properties which aren't in production. And then we're looking at more generative or regional exploration targets on our properties.
SAS's goals include continued growth by putting the Taylor project into production by 2014 and by strategic acquisitions. A strong cash flow also helps and makes many things possible.
In the last half of 2012, we're in a net cash flow positive position, and it's a luxury that we have for a small cap company. We're able to generate $15 million of cash flow on a net basis for the whole year of 2012. So it's a good position to be. When I first started with St. Andrew Goldfields, the company is a small little company, less than 100 people. And now we've got almost 350 people, not including contractors. So the company has expanded over the last 7 years. At the current gold price, it's a good spot to be.
For shareholders, cash flow reduces the risk of dilution, and SAS is confident it will continue to grow.
Now that we have reached this level, we're going to start to look at strategies and plans to double our production over the next 3 to 5 years.
They seem to have hit their stride and are delivering now, and from my perspective, the shares are relatively inexpensive today.
Keeping it simple isn't always the easy way, but for St. Andrew Goldfields, it's the only way.
For us, what's important is the people that we have. So we want to recruit the best talent, we want to retain the best talent, we want to take care of them, we want to give them challenges so they're motivated to stay with the company and they like what's happening. And we like to say at St. Andrew, we simply achieve success. And we like that because we keep things simple. For us, one important aspect of our business is to be safe, to take care of people, to have fun, but also be simple in what we want to do. Don't make it too complicated. Make sure we have simple steps and build a company step by step over time.
Recently, St. Andrew Goldfields published fourth quarter results that show $17.5 million in net cash flow. You can follow their progress on the TSX under the symbol SAS.